Thank you to everyone for the opportunity to speak today. My name is Yulisha Naidu, and I am the co chair of the Sustainable Science Working Group. Today, I'm going to briefly talk about the working group, where we come from, what our mandate is within the Sustainable Science Initiative, and what we're actually doing in practical terms across the IDM. This is really about how sustainability fits into who we are as an institute. As we all know, the IDM is a large and complex research environment. We have more than 20 research groupings and 60 BSL 1, 2, and 3 labs. That scale is strength. It reflects our scientific excellence and growth. But with significant research capabilities comes an equally significant environmental impact. The energy, water, and material consumption associated with high intensity biomedical research is considerable. As such, while our work improves health outcomes, it is vital to recognize that our ecological footprint is large. And thus came the initiation of the Sustainable Science Initiative. So the realization led to the formation of the Sustainable Science Initiative, which aims to address the environmental challenges posed by our research practices. In 2024, the IDM formally launched the SSI, and it's not just a once off campaign, it's an institutional framework to reduce our environmental impact and embed sustainability into our operations. The aim was not perfection, it's measurable progress. And importantly, it positions the IDM within a global movement towards greener science. The Sustainability Working Group serves as a crucial component of the Sustainable Science Initiative. Our mission is to foster sustainable practices that goes beyond the laboratory setting, ensuring that every aspect of the Institute's operations aligns with our environmental goals. Through our efforts, we aim to integrate sustainability into daily activities. The Sustainable Working Group is one of the pillars within the SSI. Our role is primarily focused on non lab sustainability, which are the operational spaces that support the science. We also support the other pillars through coordination, communication, and engagement. In many ways, we serve as the connector across the initiative. We concentrate on four main areas. First, evaluating energy and water use in communal spaces, understanding where efficiencies can be improved. Second, improving recycling and waste segregation, including introducing branded bins to make systems clearer and more visible. And the third thing we do is sustainable procurement and events. We have been working with vendors who prioritize sustainability and develop and have been developing an internal guideline. The fourth thing we do is communication and culture, because behavioral change is as important as infrastructure change. Recently, we've introduced recycling bins to the IDM. We have established two main recycling hubs. These hubs provide dedicated spaces for recycling clean, dry, uncontaminated plastic, glass, small cardboard, as well as specific lab items. You can find these hubs in Bernabeit South on the level 2 near the fire escape and Bernabeit North on our level 1 opposite the kitchen. Each hub has dedicated bins for tip boxes, styrofoam boxes, gel packs. We also have the IDM triple collection black recycling bin for general recycling, and we have a bin for batteries. Soon we'll have a bin for print cartridges. In addition to this, we have 6 recycling stations all across the IDM, and we have introduced 3 recycling bins to 3 meeting rooms. Sustainable events and venues. We strive to make events and venues sustainable by implementing practices such as waste reduction, sustainable catering, and using venues that align with our sustainability goals. We have developed a sustainable procurement guide aligned with suppliers that have the My Green Lab Act label, an events and catering guide to support lower impact meeting seminars and institutional events. Both guides are designed to assist you in making practical, informed, sustainability decisions in your day to day operations. These guides will be launched soon. The Sustainable Science Working Group also actively supports My Green Lab certification efforts, carbon reporting and footprint tracking, and renewable energy initiatives, including the solar integration, which is a project that is still coming. And sustainability at this scale does require collaboration. So this year we've started expanding some of our engagement activities. Tomorrow we will have a coffee club that will create a space to for groups that have not yet achieved My Green Lab certification to come and speak with those groups that have. At the end of March, we will be hosting Dr. Dirk Fuster, an ex NASA employee who is now the Chief Sustainability Officer at Volkswagen Group. He will be talking about global sustainability, and it's an important perspective for our community. In June, we will host an SSI event linked to Earth Day, and later in the year, additional seminars to keep the conversation going. The goal is sustained engagement, not just a single awareness moment. And sustainability cannot sit just within this working group. It depends on research groups, staff, students, lab techs, everyone. You can participate by embedding sustainable practices into your space, engaging in audits, attending events, or proposing ideas. It's not compliance driven, it's collective. Our longer term vision is measurable impact. We want more groups achieving My Green Lab certification. We want stronger and more robust carbon tracking. We want more sustainable procurement decisions and expanded renewable energy use. And finally, in the future, very soon, we will be launching a water fountain. But what is equally important is culture. We want sustainability to feel normal at the IDM. The Sustainability Working Group exists because we believe in world class science, and environmental responsibility are not opposites, they're interdependent. Thank you for listening.